Hello everyone. This short video is about rearranging our PDF files. Many times it happens that students, while they are sending their PDF files, the pages are not arranged properly. As you can see in this example, one page is horizontal, another page is vertical, the third page is horizontal, and the fourth page is horizontal. So we have to rearrange these pages. We have to reorient these pages. To begin this, what we need to do is to go to the site that is I Love PDF. On this site, I Love PDF, we have one tool that is Organize PDF. So let's click on Organize PDF. Once you come to Organize PDF, it'll ask you to select the PDF file. So click on Select PDF file. Go to the location where you have saved your file and select the PDF file which you want to organize. So it opens all the pages for you. Now, click on the page which you want to reorient. After clicking on this, you find a rotate handle over here. Click on the rotate handle. The page gets rotated. Go to the second page. The second page is proper, so we'll leave it as it is. Let's go to the third page and click on the rotate handle. Then go to the fourth page, click on the rotate handle. Now all the four pages are arranged in proper order. In case you have a file where the pages are not arranged in proper order, you can shift these pages from one location to another. For example, if this page was supposed to be the last page, so I click on this page and drag and shift it to the end. So this becomes the last page over here. Now, if you want to shift this page to another location, click on that and shift and drag over here. Similarly, you can bring any page from the end to anywhere in between. So like this, you can rearrange all your pages. Once you've finished reorienting all your pages, organizing it properly, click on Organize button. This is going to organize your file and give it back to you. Click on Download. Click on Save File. OK. Go to the location where you want to save it and then click on Save. Now, let's open the file and see if it has been saved properly or not. This is the original file which we had, and this is the organized file which we have. So let's click on this. Now you find that the file has been organized properly. All the pages are in the proper order.